Hi everyone, welcome back to LearnFlow English. I am Mia. Today we are doing shadowing practice number 2. We are practicing English at the cafe. The rules are simple. You listen first. Then you say the phrase out loud after me. Do not just read silently. Say it out loud. That is how shadowing works. Let us begin. Listen to the full conversation first. Just listen. Do not repeat yet. Good morning. Can I get a coffee, please? Good morning. Of course. What size would you like? A medium latte, please. Oat milk if you have it. Of course. Anything else? Yes. Can I also get a blueberry muffin, please? Sure. Is that to have here or to take away? To have here, please. Oh, is there Wi-Fi here? Yes. The password is on the board behind you. Perfect. How much is that altogether? That is £5.50, please. Here you go. Thank you so much. Thank you. Enjoy your coffee. Good. Now we practice phrase by phrase. I say the phrase. You repeat it after me. Ready? Let us go. Good morning. Good morning. Can I get a coffee, please? Can I get a coffee, please? Listen to the polite, rising tone. It is a request, not a demand. Friendly and natural. Can I get a coffee, please? What size would you like? What size would you like? A medium latte, please. A medium latte, please. Now a little longer. Oat milk if you have it. Oat milk if you have it. The phrase, if you have it, sounds very natural. It shows you are flexible, not demanding. Native speakers use this all the time. Oat milk if you have it. Anything else? Anything else? You will hear this phrase in every cafe, every restaurant, every shop. It means, do you want anything more? Anything else? Yes. Can I also get a blueberry muffin, please? Yes. Can I also get a blueberry muffin, please? Notice the word also. It means you want something extra, in addition to the coffee. Can I also get a blueberry muffin, please? Is that to have here or to take away? Is that to have here or to take away? This is a very important cafe phrase. In the United Kingdom and Australia, people say to have here or to take away. In the United States, people say for here or to go. Learn both. They mean the same thing. To have here or to take away. For here or to go. To have here, please. To have here, please. Is there Wi-Fi here? Is there Wi-Fi here? Such a useful question. Cafes, hotels, restaurants, airports. You will use this everywhere. Is there Wi-Fi here? The password is on the board behind you. The password is on the board behind you. How much is that altogether? How much is that altogether? The word altogether means the total, the full price of everything together. How much is that altogether? That is £5.50, please. That is £5.50, please. Now practice with different amounts. That is €10, please. That is $8, please. That is £12.50, please. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go, is what you say when you hand something to someone. Money, a coffee, a document, anything. Here you go. Thank you. Enjoy your coffee. Thank you. Enjoy your coffee. Now, let us put the whole first conversation together at normal speed. Try to say each phrase just before I do. Good morning. Can I get a coffee, please? A medium latte, please. Oat milk if you have it. Yes. Can I also get a blueberry muffin, please? To have here, please. Is there Wi-Fi here? How much is that altogether? Here you go. Thank you so much. Well done. That was the first conversation. Now we practice a second situation. Sometimes things go wrong at the cafe. Your order takes too long, or there is a mistake. This is very important English to know. Listen to the second conversation now. Excuse me. I have been waiting about 15 minutes. Is my order almost ready? I am so sorry about that. Let me check for you. Thank you. I also think there might be a mistake with my order. Oh no? What seems to be the problem? I ordered oat milk, but this has regular milk. I am lactose intolerant. I sincerely apologize. I will make you a fresh one right away. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Could I also get some extra napkins, please? Of course. Here you go. Again, I am so sorry for the mix-up. Not to worry. These things happen. Good. Now we practice this conversation too. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me is how you politely get someone's attention. Use it in cafes, in shops, on the street. Always polite, never rude. Excuse me. I have been waiting about 15 minutes. I have been waiting about 15 minutes. Notice the word about. It means approximately, not exactly 15. I have been waiting about 15 minutes. Is my order almost ready? Is my order almost ready? This is polite, not aggressive. You are just asking, not complaining. Is my order almost ready? I think there might be a mistake with my order. I think there might be a mistake with my order. I think and might make this very soft, very polite. You are gently pointing out a problem, not accusing anyone. I think there might be a mistake with my order. I ordered oat milk, but this has regular milk. I ordered oat milk, but this has regular milk. Clear, specific, polite. Always explain exactly what the problem is. I ordered oat milk, but this has regular milk. I am lactose intolerant. I am lactose intolerant. Lactose intolerant means your body cannot process regular milk properly. A very important phrase for restaurants. I am lactose intolerant. I sincerely apologize. I sincerely apologize. Sincerely makes the apology feel genuine, much stronger than just sorry. I sincerely apologize. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Warmer than just thanks. More genuine. More natural. I really appreciate it. Could I also get some extra napkins, please? Could I also get some extra napkins, please? Could I is more polite than can I. Use it when you want to be extra respectful. Could I also get some extra napkins, please? Not to worry, these things happen. Not to worry. These things happen. This shows you are understanding. You are not angry. Very natural. Very British. Not to worry. These things happen. Now the full second conversation together. Say each phrase with me. Excuse me. I have been waiting about 15 minutes. Is my order almost ready? I think there might be a mistake with my order. I ordered oat milk, but this has regular milk. I am lactose intolerant. I really appreciate it. Could I also get some extra napkins, please? Not to worry, these things happen. Excellent work today. You practiced useful cafe phrases, ordering coffee, asking about Wi-Fi, paying the bill, handling problems politely. Let us review the most important phrases. Number 1. Can I get a coffee, please? Can I get a coffee, please? Number 2. To have here or to take away? To have here or to take away? Number 3. How much is that altogether? How much is that altogether? Number 4. I think there might be a mistake with my order. I think there might be a mistake with my order. Number 5. Not to worry. These things happen. Not to worry. These things happen. Your challenge this week. Go to a real cafe. Use at least 2 or 3 phrases from today. Even one phrase in real life is real progress. Thank you for practicing with me today. Subscribe to LearnFlow English for more shadowing practice episodes. Shadowing practice number 3 is coming soon. See you next time. Bye for now.